offers a variety of kitchen faucet styles to satisfy everyone's preference. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a Moen single-handle kitchen faucet with a side spray assembly. Step 1. Preparation. Before getting started, turn off the hot and cold water inlets for your kitchen faucet. They're usually located in the cabinet below the faucet. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a Phillips screwdriver, adjustable wrench, and safety glasses. Step 2. Mount the faucet assembly to your countertop or sink. If there are 4 holes in your countertop or sink, you'll first need to install the deck plate, which comes with your faucet. Position the deck plate and its gasket over the center mounting hole to cover the holes you don't need. Then, insert the hoses and faucet shank into the mounting hole. If there are 2 holes in your countertop or sink, feed the hoses and faucet shank through the single-hole deck plate. Then insert the entire assembly into the mounting hole. Notice the 3 holes in the mounting nut. Thread a mounting screw into each one about halfway. Slide the mounting washer and nut over the hoses. And thread the mounting nut onto the faucet shank until it's about 1/2 inch or less from the mounting surface. Make sure the faucet is positioned properly. Then, evenly tighten the mounting screws until the faucet assembly is secure. Step 3. Install the hose guide and side spray assembly. Remove the hose guide nut from the hose guide. Insert the hose guide into the proper mounting hole on your countertop or sink. The hose guide nut can be threaded onto the hose guide in one of 2 ways. If your countertop or sink is less than 1/2 inch thick, the large end of the hose guide nut should be facing up. If it's greater than 1/2 inch, the small end should be facing up. Feed the hose of the side spray assembly into the hose guide until it's properly seated. Attach the side spray assembly to the faucet with our innovative quick connect lines. Simply press the clip and listen for an audible click, indicating a secure connection. Step 4. Connect the water supply lines. The hot supply line, which has a white tag, should be connected to the hot water inlet. Secure the connection with an adjustable wrench. You want it to be snug, but do not over-tighten. Attach the cold side in the same way. Make sure the faucet handle is in the off position. Then turn the hot and cold water inlets on and check for leaks. The last step is flushing the system to remove any debris. Remove the aerator. Simply unthread it by hand. Then turn the faucet on and let the water run for about 15 seconds. This will flush out any dirt or debris that might be in the system. When you're done, replace the aerator. Congratulations, your job is finished. Installing a single-handle kitchen faucet with a side spray assembly is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. For more information about Moen and our products, call Moen Consumer Services.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.